Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMint Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the Delta symbol on your Google Slides mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the Delta symbol in your Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, I just open a document here and just going to edit this slide. So you just need to see there is no insert. You can just use your keyboard here. First of all, you can just click this and click this again. You will see a delta option here. This is how you just insert delta symbol on your Google Slide mobile. Why I just using this Google keyboard or Gboard? Because you don't have any insert symbol option while you're just clicking on the plus symbol in the Google Slide mobile. So it's only available on web. So you just use this Google keyboard to insert every symbol that you want. So this is how you just insert the delta symbol on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.